Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix login issues within the Diablo game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to play the Diablo game on your device, but when you open it up, you experience errors while logging into your account, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. The first thing that you need to verify is to make sure that you are using the correct email address and password for your account. If you are using the correct email address and password and still you are experiencing this error while logging in, then the next step is to contact the customer support team. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and tap on the search box and type in Diablo and start your search. Once you find the Diablo game, tap on it and scroll down until you see the App Support option. From the App Support option, tap on the drop-down menu and you will find the email address to contact the support team. Tap on this email address and then choose your email app, and you can now directly send an email to the support team. Within the subject section, type in failed login, and then within the main body you can just type in that you are using your correct credentials but you are still not able to sign into your account. After typing in your message, make sure to also mention your email address or your username, but don't mention your password. Then just tap on the send button at the top right corner and this will send your email to the Diablo support team. Once you send this email and you receive a response from the support team, you can simply follow the instructions within to proceed forward with logging back into your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing login issues on the Diablo game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.